Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn landscape here in Canva. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Turning a design or project to a landscape orientation here in Canva is a simple process. All you have to do is go to the template section right here. All right. If you have already a specific design of a landscape orientation in mind, you might want to click on the create a design option here. Just put in the measurement or the width. If you click on the custom size right here. All right. If you're not sure on the orientation or the size for the landscape orientation, you're just gonna search for thousands of templates. If you type in landscape here, there's gonna be a couple of choices. Blank one panel landscape, blue white illustrated, but make sure that you do not choose the Canva Pro because all those design or templates that has like a crown icon that says Pro, you need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use this premium template. You just want to make sure you are using the free ones. So these are some of the landscape that you can use. So we have something here that says green white geometric double. So we're not going to use that. Instead, how about this one right here, landscape? It has a purple retro blank notes, A for landscape. Let's click on that. Purple retro landscape. I want you to click on customize this template and we would be forwarded to this. Now here, a landscape orientation is standard for presentations, making it ideal for slideshows. All right, so we're now able to turn a design into a landscape orientation. All you have to do is just fix on some of the elements. All right, I'm going to click on upload. And from here, I can customize all the information and the design and elements for as long as I want. All right. Click on the presentation view to make sure everything looks great in one place. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do now is simply go to the share button here. You can download as a PNG, you can download as a PDF per print, JPEG, MP4, or SVG. If you want to share this to your client to make sure that you are working on a landscape design, just click on the anyone with link and copy that link and send it to your boss, client, or your team collaborator. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.